This exercise is about writing data to text file using first name, middle name, last name, and score. So there are 3 samples. The first one, we need to use file class to point scores.txt with relative paths, which is source, and then name of the package, chapter 12b, under your project name. And then we are referring to scores.txt. Okay, import. Next one, we need to use a print writer class that comes with print and println methods, so that we can actually write the data to scores.txt. Okay, let me import. Okay, next one is try. Okay, I'm trying to write John and Jane and Mike 3 data, so user output new print writer file object. So this is where we're going to write the data. Okay, said we need to use a cat. File not found exception. Let me import ex to string. Okay, normally we have one more phrase, but it is finally. So we are using output, so let's close it. Okay, let's go to try output. Basically 2 methods, print and then println. So I'm using print John D Doe. Output, I will say println. So I finished the first input. Let me copy, paste it. So next one is the chain. A Smith. That's 92.0. I think the first one's supposed to be 85.0. Next one is Mike. $78. I think you better leave one space after last name before your score. So I may need to go back and then add one space. Okay. Let me remove. Run file. Let's open it. Here you go. Exactly same. There is one disadvantage using print writer. You won't be able to append the data. Okay, let me show you. I will keep only first record. Make a comments for second and third one. Run it again. It is only one record. Okay, so remove the comments, run it again. There will be 3 red codes. Next exercise, I will show you how to continue append your data set. For now, that's all. Thank you.